My people, it's not easy. Hey, God. It's not about becoming a father or getting married. Are you ready? They take absolutely everything away from you. They took my phone away from me, my sitting room, my TV, now my fridge. See, in case you don't know, all these are breast milk. And the thing is, they carry dates, see dates, they write dates, different dates with the do with the manufacturer. Now breast milk, now I full my fridge. God, why? Everywhere for the fridge now breast milk. This woman, I don't know whether na a factory of milk be this. Don't pump milk. My fridge don't full. See, I'm still pumping. She's still pumping. Hey God.